Hey everyone, this is how to get into the service mode for the Ricoh C262fnw. So on the home screen, look for the clear button, which is the button labeled C. Press C107, color start, and it will go into the service menu. I'll exit out again and go one more time. C107 start, and it will go into the service menu. And here, since I've already replaced the transfer belt and the secondary transfer roller, it's in the engine service setting. And I'm going to scroll down until I see reset transfer unit. Hit OK, and then reset second transfer unit, hit OK. And this will reset the supplies that it was due for change, which I've replaced both the transfer unit and the secondary transfer unit. That's the service mode for the Ricoh SPC262. Thanks guys.